Tell me more about Pinocchio, the restaurant, and the cooking school.
So, as a restaurant, we are a true Italian restaurant. So, it's a little bit an embassy of Italian food and flavors here in Dublin. And so, it's traditional Italian food, simple and tasty, but it's a bridge between Ireland and Italy in the sense that most of our ingredients are locally sourced. While Pinocchio Cookery School is part of this cultural operation to bring home here, and we teach Irish people how to cook Italian food. So not only you make them taste the food, you empower them with these skills to be able to make their own Italian food at home.
Who are you and where are you from?
So my name is Giuseppe Crupi. I'm the director of Pinocchio Cookery School, and I'm from Italy, but it's been 22 years I've been living in Dublin, so I'm a bit of an Irish guy.
How do you spend your time when you're not working?
Mostly with my friends, which means in very different ways, but talking will be the main thing.
If you could describe Dublin in one word, what would it be?
Suspended.
What advice would you give to anyone wanting to start their own business in Dublin?
Find something you're passionate about.
And what's your message to the world?
Be kind.
How do you keep the Pinocchio menu exciting for regular customers?
Listening to them. You see what the reaction is, you look at them when they eat, and that's the best way to make it dynamic.
What's your favorite ingredient to work with and why?
Flour, because I can still feel the wheat behind and it's full of possibilities.
What's something a first-time visitor Dublin should know about?
Visitors to Dublin, that Ireland has its own personality, is nothing like the UK or Northern Europe. It's an island, and in fact it's probably the most Mediterranean island in the northern part of Europe.